We asked some of our employees what their top 3 favourite things about Edale are.
Hello everyone, my name's Luke and I'm the UK and Ireland Sales Manager here at Edale. Today I'm going to be talking to you about my 3 favourite things here at Edale. Number 1 is our cast and cure unit. This is available on our FL1 Prime, our FL3 and our FL5 carton press. It's an additional embellishment option we have available that goes in line with the likes of the cold foil unit and the lamination module. The reason why the cast and cure unit is my favourite is it provides a unique holographic finish that you can see here on our Eden carton. And the second benefit of it, unlike cold foil and lamination, is the material can be reused multiple times and therefore is more environmentally friendly and helps your product stand out on the shelf. So my second favourite thing here at Edale is our CNC machines. So we actually have 2 machines here, so apologies for the noise. The first machine manufactures our aluminium side plates and our second machine manufactures our print rollers. And the reason why these are my second favourite thing here is due to the fact it epitomises the quality and reliability that we've strived for the last 80 years. So the aluminium side plates provide a strong, reliable base for the press, whereas the print rollers ensure the web is perfectly tracking throughout the press in perfect registration. So when our customers install the press, it means the print quality is always going to be in perfect register and it's a very reliable machine. So my third favourite thing here at Edale is actually the people. So I haven't been a new starter myself, having only joined the company 6 months ago. One of the things that quickly became apparent is the wealth of knowledge and expertise that's shared throughout all the departments. From procurement to electrical engineering to mechanical design, through to sales, marketing, service department and customer service, the wealth of knowledge is unfounded. So the benefit of this to our customers is that right from the very first engagement of Edale is very much a consultative sales approach. So meaning we liaise with the customers, find out their pain points and come up with a solution that's tailored to their bespoke needs. And then right throughout the whole design process, this same approach is adopted. And then when it comes to the service and installation, the expertise that we have within the team ensures it's a smooth process.
To learn more, please contact us at info@edale.com or visit our website at edale.com.